Tripura Gramin Bank ni 2025-26 rang Bisio total business Wngkha 15,422 crore rang. 2025-26 Bisio Gramin Bank ni net profit Wngkha 184.84 crore Rangmari. Chasalo Pragna Bhavan Kaisa Kokthum Panda Khlaiwi Kokno Sakha. Tripura Gramin Bank ni Achukphang Satyendra Singh. 1976 BC ni 21st December Talo Tripura Gramin Bank has to Rangmani 4,500 Rangmari by Rangmani tabuk or business golden jobli Bisio Rangmari Tangu Shogika 15,400 crore. Pulau Kai Britayo Simino Tomani Browni brands Wngkha Agortla Bisramgons Bishalgordi Chulaibari. Tripura Gramin Bank ni Kotor Shamu Wngkha Tripura Hasuni Kami Amsini Joto Berem ni Howar Kleine Shamu Tangnai Rockday. Uribur Rocknop formal banking ni chef shop Khlaiwi. Tripura Hasuni Kaisar Hangkoro Tabuk Jotoi 150 brands Tongo, 13 micro brands day, Kaitam Regional Office 43 ATM Tongo. Tabuk O Gramin Bank Technology by Shram Zakdi Kami Amsini Lukorokni Kaisa Puido, Khlaiwi Bank Wngkha. Chasalo Pragna Bhavan Kaisa Kokthum Panda Khlaiwi Kokno Sakha Tripura Gramin Bank ni Achukphang Satyendra Singh.
Institution, we have actively contributed to society through corporate social responsibilities, also initiatives such as we have supported to athletes, mountaineers and youth, also distribution of blanket to needy families, assistance in education, sports and infrastructure, promotion of self-help group product and environmental initiative. These efforts reflect our commitment to motivate even better. Way forward, looking ahead, our focus will be on strengthening digital banking ecosystem, expanding credit to agriculture, MSME and rural entrepreneur, enhancing customer service and financial literacy, supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Tripura. Dear friends from the media, all these achievements have become meaningful because people know about us through your sincere reporting. Whenever we conduct a financial literacy camp, open a new facility, launch a new digital services, support and self-help group, or extend assistance under corporate social responsibilities, your coverage gives us wider reach. You help us reach through those people who may not come to the bank unless they first hear, read, or see the information through you. Therefore, today I would like to sincerely thank every journalist, editor, photographer, camera person, digital media professionals, and media house of Tripura. Your role in development communications is invaluable. You inform, educate, question, and connect. Tripura Gramin Bank deeply respect this role. As we move ahead, our focus will remain clear: stronger financial inclusion, greater digital adoption, more credit to productive sector, wider support to farmers and entrepreneurs, stronger self-help group linkage, better customer service, and deeper participation in the development journey of Tripura. Tripura Gramin Bank is not only the largest branch network bank in the state, it is a trusted companion of the people of Tripura. We begin with rural service, and even today, our heart remains with the rural people, small entrepreneur, women, farmers, youth, and weaker sections. With your continued support and the trust of our customers, we are confident that Tripura Gramin Bank will continue to grow as a strong, responsible, people-centric, and future-ready bank. Once again, I thank all members of the media fraternity for your unwavering support and cooperation. Let us move forward together towards a stronger, inclusive, and prosperous Tripura. Thank you. Thank you.
Ashley Panda Tripura Gramin Bank ni Achukphang Satyendra Singh no Karibu Manzakha GM Anup Kumar Saha Chief Manager Charles Biswaranjan no Khowete Kubun Adongrok. For the Khorang Nishimi Omit ni Kokthum Chini Khorang.